Hey everyone! Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, your trusted source for wellness and nutrition. Today, we're diving into the amazing health benefits of mangoes, one of the most beloved tropical fruits in the world. Whether you love them fresh, in smoothies, or cooked into delicious meals, mangoes do more than just satisfy your taste buds, they boost your health in incredible ways. So sit back, grab a mango, and let's explore this nutritional powerhouse. Mangoes are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making them one of the healthiest fruits you can enjoy. Let's break it down. Mangoes are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, along with folate, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health. High in vitamin C, mangoes help strengthen the immune system, keeping colds and infections at bay. Mangoes contain soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps improve digestion, relieve constipation, and support gut health. Antioxidants like vitamins A and C promote radiant skin and strengthen hair follicles for healthier, shinier hair. Mangoes contain powerful antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which may help lower the risk of certain cancers, including breast and colon cancer. Their potassium and magnesium content helps regulate blood pressure and supports overall cardiovascular health. Mangoes aren't just delicious, they're a superfood that nourishes your body from the inside out. Mango leaves, packed with polyphenol, they help control diabetes, improve brain function, and may reduce fat accumulation. They're commonly brewed into mango leaf tea. Mango bark, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, the bark has been used to treat wounds and skin infections. Mango roots, traditionally used in herbal medicine for its antibacterial effects and digestive benefits. Mango seed kernel. This hidden gem has antifungal properties and has been used as a uterine tonic and to relieve constipation. So the next time you enjoy a mango, remember, it's not just the fruit that's powerful, but the entire tree. Mangoes have been around for over 5,000 years. They originated in India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar and spread to other parts of Asia, Africa, and South America through ancient trade routes. The Portuguese were among the first to establish mango trade when they arrived in Calcutta in 1498. Later, Spanish explorers introduced mangoes to Mexico and South America in the 1600s. Today, India is the largest producer of mangoes, but they are now cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions across the world. Mangoes have truly shaped cultures and traditions across the globe. There are hundreds of mango varieties grown worldwide, each with its own unique taste and texture. Some popular varieties include Alfonso, the king of mangoes, famous for its rich sweetness. Tommy Atkins, widely available with a firm texture. Kent, sweet and juicy with minimal fiber. Carabao, a popular mango from the Philippines, also called Manila mango. Julie mango, a Caribbean favorite with a spicy sweet taste and creamy texture. East Indian mango, grown in Jamaica, known for its fibrous texture and strong aroma. Have you tried different mango varieties? Drop your favorite in the comments. Mangoes are prepared in different ways around the world, adding flavor to local cuisines. India, mango lassi, a yogurt-based drink, and achar, spicy mango pickle. Thailand, mango sticky rice and spicy green mango salad. Mexico, camoidas, mango slush with chamoy sauce, and Tajin seasoned mangoes. Philippines, mango float, a no-bake dessert made with graham crackers and cream. South Africa, mango curry, cooked with spices and sometimes sweetened. Nigeria and Ghana, mangoes paired with groundnuts, peanuts, for a simple but delicious snack. Mangoes bring a burst of flavor to dishes worldwide. Have you tried any of these recipes? Yes, mangoes can be eaten raw and cooked. Here's how different cultures prepare unripe mangoes. India, green mangoes are pickled into achar or cooked into mango dal, lentil stew. Thailand, som tam mam yuang, a spicy salad made with shredded green mangoes. South Africa, dry braised mango curry, influenced by Indian flavors. Mexico, green mango slices sprinkled with tajin seasoning. Sri Lanka, mango curry, where green mangoes are simmered with coconut milk. Philippines, green mangoes served with bagong fermented shrimp paste. Unripe mangoes add a tangy twist to many dishes. Have you tried cooking with them? Mangoes are truly one of nature's greatest gifts, nutrient-packed, flavorful, and versatile in cooking. Supports immunity, digestion, and heart health. Used in herbal medicine for centuries. Enjoyed in different forms across cultures. If you love mangoes as much as we do, smash that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share with fellow mango lovers. Comment below your favorite way to eat mangoes. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep enjoying nature's best. See you in the next episode of We So Health Tips.